Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the importance of data. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of data. Data holds significant importance in various aspects of our lives and across different industries. Here are some key reasons why data is crucial. Number one, informed decision making. Data provides the foundation for making informed and evidence-based decisions. By analyzing relevant data, individuals and organizations can better understand trends, patterns, and relationships, enabling them to make strategic and effective decisions. Number two, business insights. The business world data is essential for understanding customer behavior, market trends, and competition. Analyzing sales data, customer feedback, and other relevant information can help businesses optimize their operations, improve products or services, and gain a competitive edge. Number three, scientific discovery. In scientific research, data is fundamental for experimentation and analysis. Researchers collect and analyze data to test hypotheses, draw conclusions, and contribute to the body of knowledge in their respective fields. This process helps drive scientific discovery and innovation. Number four, healthcare advancements. In the healthcare industry, data is crucial for patient care research in public health. Electronic health records, medical imaging, and clinical trial data contribute to improved diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of diseases. Number 5, personalization and user experience. Companies use data to personalize experiences for users, whether in the context of online services, e-commerce, or entertainment. Analyzing user data helps tailor recommendations, advertisements, and content to individual preferences, enhancing overall user satisfaction. Number 6, resource optimization. Data is instrumental in optimizing resource allocation and utilization, whether it is manufacturing, logistics, or energy management. Analyzing data can help identify inefficiencies, reduce waste, and improve overall operational efficiency. Number 7, risk management. In various fields, including finance and insurance, data is crucial for assessing and managing risks. Analyzing historical data patterns help organizations make informed decisions about investments, lending, and insurance underwriting. Number 8, policy and governance. Governments use data for policy making, resource allocation, and monitoring societal trends. Data-driven governance allows for better planning, efficient public services, and evidence-based policy decisions. Number 9, education and research. In the field of education, data is used to assess student performance, track academic progress, and improve educational outcomes. Researchers also rely on data to conduct studies and contribute to the advancement of knowledge. Number 10, technological advancements. Data is at the core of technological innovations including artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things (IoT). These technologies depend on vast amounts of data to train models, make predictions, and enable smart connected devices. In summary, the importance of data lies in its ability to inform decision making, drive innovation, improve efficiency, and enhance various aspects of our personal and professional lives. Properly managed and analyzed data can lead to valuable insights and contribute to positive outcomes across diverse fields. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of data. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.